BMW is making bold moves with the 2026 XM, and the message is clear. The base XM is gone, and from here on out, it's all about the power-packed XM label. This isn't just a trim update. It's a shift in how BMW wants the XM to be perceived. Starting in 2026, the only available version of the XM will be the 738 horsepower label, previously known as the label Red. That means no more entry-level XM with just 644 horsepower. BMW is now all in on performance, exclusivity, and presence. Power still comes from a brutal twin-turbocharged V8 producing 577 horsepower, paired with a punchy electric motor sandwiched between the engine and the transmission. Together, they deliver a combined 738 pound-feet of torque. It's all routed through BMW's slick 8-speed automatic transmission to all four wheels, launching this hybrid monster from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds. Top speed remains electronically limited to 155 miles per hour. But opt for the M-Drivers package and that climbs to a thrilling 175 miles per hour. It's not just a big SUV anymore. It's a super SUV that doesn't care about categories. What makes the 2026 XM label stand out even more is the fresh set of customization options. BMW has done away with the bright red exterior trim pieces that were exclusive to the previous label Red, dialing things back for a more mature yet still aggressive aesthetic. But don't worry, there are still subtle red-accented exterior badges to let everyone know you're driving something special. New colors have been added to the individual paint palette, including the deep and rich frozen tanzanite blue metallic, which really brings out the XM's muscular lines. And for those who like their wheels to match the vibe, BMW now offers its standard 23-inch wheels in black, while 22-inch wheels remain available at no extra cost. The interior of the XM label has also seen a glow-up. BMW is offering 3 new, individual interior themes, each one tailored for luxury and uniqueness. You've got night blue full merino leather with vintage coffee accents, black merino leather with vintage coffee accents, and a clean Silverstone extended merino leather with contrasting black accents. These aren't just color swaps, they elevate the entire cabin, making it feel like a bespoke lounge on wheels with performance credentials to back it up. Underneath, the XM label's hybrid system stays the same. It uses a 19.2 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery pack tucked under the floor, delivering up to 30 miles of all-electric range. That's more than enough for short commutes or stealthy electric cruising. The key improvement for 2026 is the onboard charger, which now supports an 11 kilowatt charging rate, up from 7.4 kilowatts. BMW hasn't provided updated charging times, but we can expect quicker full charges, likely shaving a chunk of time off the previous 3-hour, 15-minute estimate. BMW will officially debut the 2026 XM label at the 24 Hours of Le Mans on June 14th in France, a fitting location for a performance icon. Production is set to begin in August at BMW's Spartanburg, South Carolina plant. Pricing hasn't been announced yet, but considering the 2025 XM label started at $187,875, expect a slight bump in cost to reflect the new features and tech. Either way, one thing is for sure, the XM label is now the only XM, and it's coming in hot.